Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to do a part 2 of the Ibispaintx tutorial, and I'll start my 10 minutes timer. So yeah, so let's open a new layer, and we're gonna use the same brush as yesterday in the first row. And if you hear a sound, it's my dog. So I'm gonna do this lashes. So let's see what's going on. Oh, it's a small brush. So let's see with what kind of brush we're gonna go. Maybe this is too thick. Let's go with 2 and see. Yeah, they are thicker, but I don't mind. I like this kind of lashes. Even though I never draw lashes, I use stamps. So bear with me. So let's do it like that, like this, and keep filling it in the middle, a straight one. It's looking pretty much okay. Now we click on this layer, we click here, duplicate layer, and here to flip it, we click on this layer and use the transform tool. And oh no, the wrong one. Wait a second. Where is the right one? Oh, it's here. Okay, my bad. Then we click transform and move this one on the eyelid, and like that. Maybe you have to adjust a little bit with your fingers, and like this. Alright, we click here this green one, and we put this layer down like this here, and we open a new layer, and you can do the bottom lashes, it's optional. So mine already have some, but I'm gonna draw some thin ones. I'm gonna go to 1.5. I'm gonna flick it downwards a bit. So like this. So you have just slightly some lashes. It's optional, so not the last one, but here. So I'm just follow this natural lash. Like that. Should not be too long. This here, here, and here. Oh no. This one was really long, so maybe like this, a little bit shorter. So like this, that, like, yep, why not? So let's open a new layer, and for the brush, we're gonna go with the 6th one again. So let me see. Here we have it, and we're gonna work with the lips. So first off, I'm gonna pick up this color. Click on this color right here, and with the wheel, we're gonna go to the darker one. And for the beginning, I'm gonna make this line in here, so I know where is what as guide. And then I'm gonna make a new layer underneath this one. Click on it, and so let me check the settings, thickness, opacity. Alright, so we're gonna do, all we're gonna do is pick out a color and add it in the existing one. Keep filling it in, picking the colors up. So what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna make it more smooth and more kind of realistic when we got picking colors up and adding them back in. So yeah, so let's fill this in. The gloss doesn't matter right now, so keep filling in. So like this, and here as well, filling in. Here, copy, fill in, and that way you can make bigger lips as well while you're doing this. So I'm not gonna pick up the white one, but all around. So yeah, it's getting nicely together. So later on we can smudge this, or you keep this, it's up to you, but I'm always smudging. So yeah, let's pick up the color right here and make here a little bit the lips fuller, like that. It's looking really nice. So it's up to you if you want to keep the teeth or not. So I'll probably remove it because I don't know, maybe I'll draw some later. We'll see. So let me pick up this lighter color to fix this in here so it doesn't look like that. And I'm gonna go to the smudge tool, but be sure to put it way down so it doesn't smear. Oh my god, this size is too big. So it doesn't smear around too much because it's a goal. And play around with the opacity. And let's keep smudging around, making it more evenly. Play around with the size, like this. And yeah, I'm gonna use the eraser tool to like erase all around, and like this in here a bit, and the lips look pretty cute, I would say. So now we have this layer, we make a new layer, and what I also like to do is pick here the darkest color, I would say. So let me see if it's gonna pick or not. Somehow it doesn't want to. Because I'm gonna erase, my bad. So pick this color, go here and make it darker, kind of on the reddish side. Be sure the opacity is up again, and we're gonna do like this strokes. I kind of give it a little bit more definition with this, like not the whole lip, the ends only. Then we're gonna go with the smudge tool again, and oh, see, it's too much. The opacity needs to be down. And as you can see, it's not like smudging as much, so keep the opacity low as possible, and smudge it around. And as you can see, it's not moving much, but still moving enough. So yeah, so if it's not enough for you, opacity up, not too much. So let's see here, looks good. So like that. And you can also do Gaussian blur, but just minimal. We don't want it to be spread too much, so yeah, let's move it a tiny bit to see. Oh god. Okay, now let's put opacity a bit down. Like I mentioned yesterday, there are cars and it's annoying. So this is how it looks now. I'm gonna give it a little bit more definition. Did I open a new layer? I think I did. Now I'm gonna go with this first one and size a little bit more up, and we give it a nice line in here. Let me see if it's that one. Yes, yeah, I forgot to put opacity back up. So my dog is gonna bark probably because somebody outside is making a loud noise. So my dog is gonna trip. So yeah, let's give it here this thin line. It's giving you an illusion of fuller lips. So let me make it a little bit better. Like that in the middle. Giving a straight one, and then with this. We're gonna like Gaussian blur later. I'm always giving this bottom line. And up line, not really, so Gaussian blur. And let's keep it moving a bit. Maybe like that. I don't like too much, to be honest. So let's zoom it out a bit so we can see. And let's see the 57, how it looks. Pretty much decent. Let's open a new layer. And opacity should be on 100. And now let's make this line in here. Oh, the brush is too big, so let's go with a 1.5 again. Like 2.5, so it's hard to perfect this. So there we go, and make a line. Let's go with thicker one. Like maybe 2. Yeah, let's go with 2. And we make this line. We can overlay this later or click add, but I like my lips to have this white line, and here as well. It's optional, you don't have to, but I do it like that. So you can also add some lines. So we're gonna click here where it says normal, and we're gonna look for the add option. So Here it is. This ad is kind of a highlighter kind of thing. So let me put opacity more down. Like 20. Oh, the time is up. Let me stop it. So we're gonna resume tomorrow. So today we did the lashes and the lips. So yeah, you can play with opacity with this. But yeah, I like it a little bit more down. So let's keep it on a 23. So guys, I would say this is it for this video. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!